A lichen is like a sponge. It will absorb everything. That also includes heavy metals and pollutants. So we can really speak with the lichen to inform us of our impact on the earth. The most basic components of a lichen are algae and fungus. It's a fast-growing nitrogen fixer. Lichen really help introduce that nitrogen into the system, and that's what a lot of old-growth forests depend on. It's called fishnet lichen, and I would like everyone to pass around a chunk. Whoever has a hand lens, use it because it will bring the features out. This is the one that you'll probably get confused with being a moss because it's so dark green. I just found a really cool lichen. It's called Podosmacia harryi. Thank you for letting me engage you all with my lichen love.
We're going to go on an adventure out to Cape Lookout. I'm with the Friends of Neatards Bay. We work to sustain this beautiful area through education and stewardship. We think that if we can get you to love it, then when you are living here, visiting here, or working here, you will think about the choices you're making and make wise ones to keep this place as beautiful as possible. You think that's from trail cutting? This is super impactful of our trail systems, and so I always like to point it out. Neatards Bay is really cool. It's a saltwater bay. Lots of different life that you typically wouldn't see in a bay. It's a really cool ecosystem down there. You can see how it's like tracing its roots around and inside, and then you can kind of spot all the other life that's popping up off of these. So it's just kind of a cool, everything has a purpose in this forest kind of display. I always enjoy seeing them.
Explore nature. Your next outdoor adventure awaits. Join the fun.